Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Teams on Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your settings of your Windows. Go to your app section. Click on the first option is apps and features. In the search box, type Microsoft Team. Now here is the Microsoft Team. Click on these three dots and click on advanced options. Scroll down and now you can see data uninstall. So click on uninstall it. Click on uninstall. Now here is your app is uninstalled. Close it, and after doing this step, go to your any search engine and type download Microsoft Teams. Click on the first link is teams.microsoft.com. Go to your download options. Click on desktop for download for desktop and click on according to your choice, like a small business or home or a work and school. So in my case is download team. Click on save button. Now after that double click and open it. The downloading will be started, and after that select your account, set your first and last name and click on continue. Now here is. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.